came home from work and I'm feeding now my hungry little Amazons. And look at how hungry they are. Oh, yummy. Oh, so this is my little girly girl, Faithy. Hi, Faithy. Hi. She's going for the edamame. Good girl. Good girl. And this is Destiny. He's going for the corn. He loves sweet corn. He loves to drag it around too. Hi, my sons. Hi, my little cuties. Hi. Hi, Destiny. Oh, is that your corn? Is that your corn? And he's walking on his plate. What is Destiny doing? He's a little macho bird. My little macho bird. And he wants to show who's the boss. Right? Yeah. He's definitely the boss of Faith. He eats first. Look at my little girly girl. Look how gorgeous this girly girl. Hi. Hi, little girly girl. Yeah, eat your edamame. Good girl. Good girl. So they are frozen edamame in shells that I just put in hot water to warm them up. And they are so good and so healthy. And look at how Faith plumage is just striking green. Yeah, such a healthy girly girl. Look at you. Healthy food gives healthy birds. And here comes Destiny. Hi, Destiny. Hi, my sweet little Destiny. What's Destiny doing? Alright, Destiny's again walking on the food, like birds do. He likes to be in control. Right, Destiny? Is that your corn, Destiny? Is that your corn? My beautiful yellow head? Is that your corn? Yeah. So, I just want to show you dinner for them. They get every night these type of foods. And they get a fresh organic apple, and then they have here some pellets. Yeah. Hi. And you're in the bird room. And they can just do whatever they want in the bird room. It's like, yeah, daytime in the bird room. So Destiny likes to sit on his little couch right there. That's his couch. You see? He goes on there and he sits on his couch. His perch couch. Show us, how do you sit in your couch, Destiny? What do you do? Yeah? Show me. How do you sit in your couch? It's very soft for your butt, right? Isn't that soft? Destiny's so cute. Oh, the girly girl is eating. Are you eating your plate? Eating your dinner plate? Good girl. Good girl. Okay. That's it for now. Bye. Dinosaur. Oh. Hi, Destiny. Little dinosaurs coming. Hi, Destiny. Just love how he walks over his plate. All right.